Hi everyone, it's the video you've all been waiting for, the unboxing of the 2023 Furby tie-dye, which is a Smyths Toys exclusive. As far as I'm aware, you can only get it in the UK and France. Mine has arrived today because I pre-ordered it. First of all, a couple of shout-outs. A shout-out goes to Gwenny the girl, formerly known as Furby Tube, and also Julian, and I think it's, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, Julian ACC, aka Nunya, also None of Fur Business. So, sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, but I tried. I hope you're both having a great day. Okay, so here we go, the tie-dye Furby. Now, people have been asking me about this a lot, and the pre-orders have actually been released early, so I think the release of the Furby is early as well. They said on the website originally it was September or October, and it's August. As far as I was aware, the French one was September and the British one was October, but I don't know. It doesn't matter. Here it is. So as you can see, the box is all sort of rainbow and unique to the Furby that's inside it. So if you see it in the shops, you know which one you're buying. It's got the usual thing on the side there, tells you what it comes with, which is all the same things as the others come with, but there's a picture of the rainbow one on there. There's a kid holding it on the back, and it also tells you about its 5 unique commands, just like the other Furbies. And here we have your voice unlocks the ultimate Furby friendship and the key on the side. So let's open it. Try not to damage it too much. There we go. Open it up. And it says keep out Furby and Bestie only. Knock knock, who's there? Paul here. And now the big moment. We'll pull this out. And there is our first look at the tie-dye Furby with its lovely rainbow fur. And you can see it's got its rainbow fur here, but also its hair on top of its head is also rainbow coloured as well. And there's something really neat here that I've just noticed, that the ears, I don't know if you can see this in the light, can you see they're all sparkly? That's really cool. And it's got purple eyelashes, and its faceplate is actually, I don't know if you can see here, is also shiny and pearlescent too. And it's got a pink heart on its head, and its little beak is orange as opposed to yellow. So it looks really cool, and I can see it's got purple feet, and the feet are sparkly as well. So let's just open this up. So there's the usual bag of accessories. This one comes in a purple bag, the others were green and blue, I believe. And the instructions are the rainbow colour as well. And of course we have to use the screwdriver to take it out of the bottom of the box. So just do that over here. That's one screw. And the other screw, having difficulty coming out. There we go. So, and I will show you the feet before I activate the Furby and put the batteries in and everything. And I don't know, again, if you can see it, let's get it to focus on it. It is sparkly, it's kind of pearly. I don't think that it actually shows very well on the camera, but they are very pearly and lovely. So let's put the batteries in. Again, it takes 4 AA batteries like all the others. The battery compartment is set out like that, as with the other Furbies. And I'm showing you that mostly in case you haven't seen the other unboxings that I've done for the coral and the purple ones. This last battery's just gone in. And we'll just do the screws back up. This one isn't so eager to start dancing about and talking, which is nice. It's given me a chance to put the battery cover back on the bottom there. There we go. Okay, so there's the Furby. Let's move the camera back down a bit to focus. Let's press the heart gem.
Fur, check. Feet, check. Ears, check. And check. Yep, Furby all here. Is Unai new bestie? Unai means you, by the way. Well, if we're new BFFs, we should talk. Ka, like the best listener. Oh, Ka mean I, by the way. If ever want to talk to Furby, all Unai gotta do is push Furby's heart gem and say, "Hey Furby, go ahead, try."
Hey Furby.
Oh, Furby, hear you. Now we best friends forever. Okay, bestie, let's play. Press heart gem and say, "Hey Furby."
Hey Furby.
Now say, "Dance party."
Dance party.
Hey Furby. New la 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 la. Everybody loves you, Furby. New la 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 la. No la 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 la. New la 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 la. Everybody loves you, Furby. Hey Furby, yeah, we love you. Hey Furby, your dream come true. Hey Furby, love you too. Everybody loves you, Furby. New la 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 la. No la 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 la. Hey la 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 la. Everybody loves you, Furby. Pat Furby head for another song.
I just wanted to end the songs there and turn Furby off because I wanted to show you obviously what the Furby actually looks like. Now the eyes and that are open. So this particular Furby has got purple to pink to blue eyes. It's got little clouds in its eyes there. The eyes are all individual to the different colours of Furby. So the rainbow one has these eyes. Obviously you could probably see all the lovely sparkles in the ears. That's a really neat kind of addition to the design of this particular Furby. There's the front of Furby, and I'll turn him around so you can see the back. And there's the back as well. It's a very tie-dye sort of pattern. Battery cover is pink and the feet are purple. So we'll have a look at the little bits and pieces that come with this Furby. Every Furby comes with its own accessories. The accessories are all the same. However, they do them in different colours depending on which model of Furby you have, which is really nice because it makes it sort of more individual to that particular Furby that you've chosen. So we'll just pour them out there. So let's take a look at the ones that come with the rainbow Furby. You've got the Furby comb, so you can comb its hair, and the strand of sort of nylon, I suppose, that comes with this particular Furby, as you can see, is lovely and sparkly. It's purple and it's got kind of like iridescent sparkles running through it, and the tips of it here are orange and kind of pearly, and that also has the word Furby written on it. Then you have its pizza, which you can feed it with if you don't want to use your finger. And you've got all the little beads that come with it as well, such as this ever popular tiny Furby bead. There it is. And all the different ones here, and these particular ones are sort of peach, aqua and pink and purple to match your Furby, which is the colours of the Furby. So it's all kind of colour coordinated as well. And we'll have a quick look at the friendship guide for the rainbow Furby. It's just your basic guide on how to look after it, and as with all the other guides, it does show a picture of whichever Furby colours you have, in this case the tie-dye. It also tells you how to power it off and troubleshooting and stuff like that. So that was my unboxing and first look at the rainbow tie-dye Furby. The personality of the Furby, the voice, everything else that it does is the same. It's just different fur that they have put on it to obviously encourage people to buy this one as well. And I have. But I think that this one will be really popular because everyone loves rainbow stuff and bright colours and things like that. Well, most people do. And I know that if anything's done in rainbow version, it's normally one of the most popular versions of whatever it is. So, yeah, that's the unboxing and first look at the tie-dye rainbow Furby. I will be comparing it to other models as well, and having a proper look at it and things too, but I just wanted to get this video up because I know everyone's been really looking forward to it. So if you want to see more Furby 2023 videos, there's boxes coming up below you can click on. Also, you can check out my Etsy and New Monday stores. I make plushies and artwork and take commissions if you're interested, or buy me a coffee on Ko-fi if you enjoy what I do. Everything helps. And that's all for this video. This is Silverwolf signing off.